Your company is planning to migrate its applications and data to cloud. In this way, your company wants to save time and money by migrating company's existing infrastructure to cloud. But you don't know about cloud computing. Your company's IT team, web development team, hardware team, software engineering team all are asking how cloud computing can make their life easy. Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will explain the basic concepts of cloud computing. So what is cloud? Cloud is the delivery of computing services over the internet. It's a globally interconnected network of millions of computers hosted across the world. It is as simple as that. Now, some of the examples of cloud computing services are Gmail, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp. There are many, and some of the cloud service providers are Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Let's discuss on what are the benefits of cloud computing. Reduced cost. If you are moving to cloud computing, then it may reduce the cost of managing and maintenance of your IT systems. High availability. This is important for mission critical systems or applications that can't tolerate any kind of interruption because any downtime can cause damage or financial loss. High availability guarantees a certain percentage of uptime. For example, if a system or service has 99.9% uptime, then it will be downed only 0.1% of time. Scalability. There are two types of scalability: vertical scalability and horizontal scalability. Vertical scalability means we can add RAM or CPUs to a virtual machine to increase the capacity. And horizontal scalability means we can add VMs to increase the capacity. Elasticity. We can take advantage of auto scaling so that our apps always have the resources they need. Agility. We can quickly configure the resources as per the requirements. Disaster recovery. Backup of data, data replication, data protection solutions. We can store our backed up data across multiple geographical locations to eliminate single point of failure. We can always have a backup copy even if one of the cloud data centers fails. Security. It means securing your cloud environment against unauthorized use or access. DDoS attacks, distributed denial of service attacks, hackers, malware, and other risks. Now, what are cloud service models? If you are already familiar with cloud computing, then probably you have heard about some terms like PaaS, IaaS, and SaaS. Let's see what are these models. IaaS is infrastructure as a service. This is a form of cloud computing where infrastructure is provided to end user through the internet. In this service, company does not have to buy and manage their own physical servers and other data center infrastructure. Example of IaaS are Rackspace, AWS, Microsoft Azure. PaaS. PaaS is platform as a service. This service model provides computing platform which includes OS, programming language execution environment, database, web server typically. Technically, it is a layer of on top of IaaS. Common examples are AWS Elastic Beanstalk, Force.com, Google App Engine, Azure App Service. SaaS. SaaS is software as a service. Here you are provided access to application services which is installed at a server hosted by cloud service provider. You don't have to worry about installation, maintenance or coding of that software. You can access and operate the software through a browser. You don't have to download or install any kind of setup or OS. Example of these service models are Google Apps, Microsoft Office 365, Salesforce, Gmail. Next video, we will discuss some of the important questions regarding cloud computing. What is CapEx? What is OpEx? What is serverless computing? What is public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud? I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.